Hey, so today I'm going to be making a bikini using this fire bandana that I got from Hobby Lobby. This bandana was only $1 and I used 2 bandanas to create my bikini. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to cut out 2 triangles for my bikini top. I like to trace around the swimsuit that I already have and I like the style of just to create a pattern for my new bikini. So I cut out 2 pieces for my bottoms, one for the front and one for the back. So now I'm going to hand sew them together with the needle and thread. Now I'm going to use this fold over elastic to create a trim on the sides. So I'm going to glue the fabric to the elastic on one side. Then I'm going to fold the elastic in half and glue it on the other side. So now the left and the right sides are complete with the trim. So now we're going to take this extra elastic at the top to create our straps. So I'm just going to glue it down and fold it in half. I'm going to glue the left and the right part of the bikini to the elastic trim. I'm going to leave some space in the center. And I'm also going to leave extra elastic on the side. That's going to create the straps that we will use to tie our bikini up in the back. Now we're going to repeat this process for the bikini bottoms, adding elastic to both sides by using the fold over elastic and gluing it down. Then we're going to add elastic to the top of the bottoms, leaving extra string on the sides that will become the tie-up strings for the bikini. I found this cute little metal ring and I thought it would bring an extra special touch to my bikini top, so I just cut the elastic right in the center and I hand sewed the metal ring onto the bikini top and I thought it was so cute. And here are the final results. I love how the bikini turned out. It's super cute and very sexy, just how I like it. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to run.